Currently, markets are closed, so I think this is a good moment to review at least the red folder news we have tomorrow, and in general the price action we have for gold at this point. The most important zone or area we have right now is the previous all-time high, the 2023 all-time high. So let's just mark it very simple here at 2048, around that area. It's not close price. Let's talk about areas, not exact prices. So more or less that will be the idea or the target currently for bulls. This seems a very strong possibility. Just remind or keep in mind two things. If we touch heavy areas of liquidity, gold will do two things, and both involve big spikes or big volatility. So just consider, if you're not positioned yourself yet to get to the break, at least wait for the reaction, because we already had two major in these areas retracements that helped or acted as new entries for bulls. So if you're counter trending, you're starting to layer yourself in case we break all-time high and we drop, or in case we're already dropping for the move. So let's review the fundamental news for tomorrow, because we start with the volatility, we could say, of this week, that it's full. It already started yesterday, as we can see, with the unexpected moves, or at least not controlled moves, like the India buying of physical gold. That's something that triggered this move, especially because we know that USD at least is not taking too many hits right now. It looks stable. So let's go with the ADP non-farm employment. Mainly this tells us how many jobs were added or lost in the US, but it's not official government number. It matters for Xauusd. If jobs are added, people may feel more confident and they might invest less in gold. So if jobs are lost, people might invest more, and blah blah blah. And then we have Powell testifying, the head of the USA Central Bank, or the Fed, is talking about the economy in general. So if Powell says things are going well, people might be less interested in gold. If he's worried about the economy, people might turn to gold. Very easy. And JOLTS job openings, and it also tells how many jobs openings there are in the US. And if there are many job openings, it might mean the economy is strong and people might invest less in gold. If job openings are low, it could simply mean it could give concerns, and gold might become more attractive. So in simple terms, these events provide information about the USA job market and economic health. Depending on whether the news is good or bad, people might change how they invest. So it's very important to keep an eye on these three news tomorrow. And we have, you can see, this is the full, let's skip it these days. Okay, I messed up. Like that, like it. Okay, so we have Thursday also unemployment claims, and Powell testifies again. And Friday, our, traders' favorite, NFP, and more unemployment and average hourly earnings. So we have a lot of sensitive data for USA, that after the bull run that we're having with gold, this is very important. So at least tomorrow will give us hints on how good the USA is, and gold will react. I'm very, very, very heavy, because we are close to a heavy liquidity zone, that it's the all-time high. So at least everyone, either to sell or to buy, wants to touch this area. So keep it in mind. Have a great day.